from steel to fine products. Jiangsu Chuangheng machinery uses 9 rigorous processes to ensure that every product can withstand the test of 10 years. Choose us and you will have no worries. Material inspection is carried out after the raw materials arrive. Laser cutting technology is adopted to achieve high-precision cutting of materials. The process parameters are strictly controlled. Our welding craftsmen, with their outstanding skills, strictly control every weld seam, laying a solid foundation for the quality of our products. Annealing treatment can eliminate stress and enhance the toughness, ensuring that the frame will not deform. The workpieces are transferred to the sandblasting room. Impacts from sand and gravel are used to remove surface impurities. The core components are processed with a precision of 0.02 millimeters, and the precision exceeds the national standard by 30%. The dimensional accuracy and surface flatness are optimized. The trial assembly of core functions can eliminate 98% of potential assembly issues in advance. Professional spray guns are selected after the paint is finely atomized. It is evenly and delicately sprayed onto the surfaces of the workpieces multiple times. In terms of the assembly of the electrical system, technicians lay cables and connect circuits. The assembly workers precisely splice and install each part. Finally, the product is delivered to customers in a perfect state. After all components are assembled, a comprehensive overall debugging is carried out.